Tired of walking around to play Pokemon Go? Let me show you how to change your GPS location with MagFone and play from home. First, open MagFone Location Changer on your computer and click Start. Then, connect your phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to enable developer mode for your phone. Once connected, switch to game mode and tap the Pokemon Go icon so that MagFone applies the GPS changes directly to the game. Now, MagFone offers 5 different GPS change modes to suit your needs. The change location mode lets you drag the map pin and teleport instantly, allowing you to spin Pokestops and get rewards without being shadow banned. Next, the 2-spot mode creates a route between 2 points and can simulate walking or driving at a custom speed. So you can focus on catching Pokemon or completing tasks. Building on that, the multi-spot mode expands on 2-spot mode, allowing you to create a more complex path with several stops along your journey. For instant jumps between locations, use the jump teleport mode. And finally, the joystick mode gives you a live on-screen stick for flexible, real-time movement. Simply pick the mode that matches your goal and set the movement speed before you start. Using MagFone, you can quickly complete tasks without leaving home. For example, to catch 25 Pokemon, you can use Incense and finish the task in no time. Plus, by adjusting the speed to a suitable level for egg hatching, you can incubate eggs simultaneously. So, start using MagFone today and enhance your Pokemon Go experience.